Angalia picha.
Akianirira gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti eno, Minister wa hinya uria tuthagira Opiyo Wandayi augite ni ikinya inene hari kunina thina wa mahinda kwa mahinda wa kuragwa thitima guku bururi-ini. Ngirimiti eno iria kuharirio kwayo kwarikirira tariki 9 mweri uyu yukite thutha wa mieri 4 ya miario gatagati ka miena yeri kuria kambuni ya Adani yathurimirwo na kinyimirutire yayo ya wira na uhoti wayo wa gukinyaniria tafarira eno. Wandayi akiuga ni iganirite na uria ngirimiti eno irakinyanirio, akiuga giki ni kiambiriria sekta-ini ya hinya uria tuhuthagira.
I am happy to report that through an extremely transparent process, KETRACO has now been able to enter into an agreement with Adani Energy Solutions, an agreement which was signed this Wednesday, on 9th I think, that is going to ensure that ultimately at the end of this exercise, which is in the year 2027, we shall have modern, efficient, first-class transmission lines and substations.
Ona thengia wa kambuni ya Adani gukorwo ithiururukirio ni kiriga kigie mirutire yayo ya wira, Wandayi neteteire ngirimiti eno akiuga ni gucenjia uheani wa thitima na kunina mutugo wa kuragwa thitima mahinda kwa mahinda.
We cannot afford as a country from our taxes to undertake these very, very big infrastructure projects. If we were to undertake them from our taxes, it would take 50 plus years. By that time, we shall have been left behind in terms of the demand for energy. And therefore, we shall remain stagnant as a country.
Maya makihanikaga kambuni ya KETRACO ni regete kurekereria mamwe ma maundu maria maraiguithanirio thiini wa ngirimiti eno.
Only way out is public-private partnerships that we have actually followed this time around. And that is a process which is allowed by law, which we passed in Parliament in the year 2021. The Public-Private Partnership Act is a law that is in existence that was passed by our own Parliament.
Ona gukiria uguo ngirimiti eno ya gucungiriria kuongerereka gwa thogora wa thitima, kuona kambuni ya Adani yahota gukorwo ithukumite ya Kenya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 634.7 kwa ihinda ria miaka 30 niguo ihote gucokia mbeca iria ikuigithia tafarira-ini eno. Ngirimiti eno irakuruhania waki wa raini 3 cia gukua mwaki wa thitima wa gikiro kia iguru wa undu umwe na ceceni 2 cia kugaya mwaki wa thitima. Imwe ya raini ici ni ya Gilgil Kamala Konza iria ni ya muigana wa kilomita 287, ya keri nayo igukorwo iri ya kuma Rongai Keringet Chemosit ya uraihu wa kilomita 99.9. Kuringana na Wandayi, mawoni ma Akenya ni mathingatirwo mbere ya gwikanirwo kwa ngirimiti eno niguo gutigirira maundu mothe maria mareyumiria ni metherwo kihonia.
First, we undertook a very elaborate public participation exercise. Secondly, we took the projects through the National Treasury, the PPP committee, which gave it a clean bill of health. We thereafter took it to the Attorney General's office, who again gave it a clean bill of health. And the board of KETRACO eventually and ultimately approved the whole process.
Wikanirwo kwa ngirimiti eno gukite oriri kambuni ya Adani ikoretwe murikitwo kumana na rendekithia ria ngirimiti ya kuramata kiharo kia JKIA. Minister Wandayi arutire ndumiriri eno hindi ya igongona ria uhandi wa miti riri kuruhanirie kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya REREC.